Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to play games on YouTube Playables. Got some free time and want to play games without downloading anything? Here's how to access YouTube Playables. First, open the YouTube app or website and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. In the sidebar, click for an option called Playables. If you see it, simply tap it and you'll have access to a collection of games that you can play directly inside YouTube without installing anything. However, if the Playables section is missing, it's most likely because the feature hasn't rolled out to your region yet. YouTube initially launched Playables in limited test regions before expanding more broadly. Countries that were officially confirmed during the wider rollout include the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. Since then, YouTube has gradually expanded availability to additional markets, but Google has never published a complete list of supported countries. Because of that, some users in places like France and Spain reported that the feature appeared inconsistently during the rollout period. If you still don't see the Playables option, the feature may simply not be available for your account or location yet, and you'll need to wait until YouTube expands support to your region. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.